In this video, we will download and install CFRemote, a command line tool for remotely deploying CFEngine. CFRemote is an open source Python tool and available in the CFEngine core repo. I'll start by opening Firefox, then navigating to github.com/cfengine/core. Then I'll scroll down to contrib, then CFRemote, and here are the installation instructions. I'll copy this git clone command, then open a terminal and paste it here. Once we're done cloning, all we need to do is symlink the Python script. I'll do this using ln-s, then from the present working directory /core/contrib CFRemote. CF_remote is a Python package, and then the main.py script is the enter point. And we need to symlink this somewhere in our path. So I'll do /home/my username and then bin, and I'll call it CFRemote. Now, if we try to do CFRemote --help, we can see the help menu. That's it. Thanks for watching.